Slow-cooked short ribs recipe. Origin and brief history. Short ribs, derived from the lower rib cage of the cow, have been enjoyed in cuisines worldwide for centuries. This slow-cooked version is inspired by classic braising techniques, which became popular in Europe, particularly France, in the 18th century. Braising tenderized tougher cuts of meat, making them flavorful and economical. Today, slow-cooked short ribs are a favorite in American, French, and Korean cuisines, celebrated for their melt-in-your-mouth tenderness and versatility. Want to nail this technique in under 3 minutes and 59 seconds? Today, we're making delicious beef short ribs that are tender and full of flavor. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 4 pounds of beef short ribs, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 large onion chopped, 3 garlic cloves minced, 2 medium carrots diced, 2 celery stalks diced, 1 cup of red wine or beef broth, 2 cups of beef broth, 1 can of diced tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 2 sprigs of fresh rosemary, 2 sprigs of fresh thyme, 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. And the tools: a Dutch oven or slow cooker, tongs, a wooden spoon, a cutting board, and a knife. Heat olive oil in a Dutch oven over medium-high heat. Season the short ribs with salt and pepper. Sear the ribs on all sides until browned, about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Remove and set aside. In the same pot, add onions, carrots, and celery. Sauté until softened, about 5 to 7 minutes. Add the garlic and cook for another minute. Pour in the red wine and scrape the bottom of the pot to deglaze, releasing any browned bits. Let the wine simmer for 2 to 3 minutes to reduce slightly. Add the beef broth, diced tomatoes, tomato paste, smoked paprika, rosemary, thyme, and bay leaves. Stir to combine. Return the short ribs to the pot, ensuring they are mostly submerged in the liquid. For Dutch oven, cover and cook in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 2.5 to 3 hours. For slow cooker, transfer everything to a slow cooker and cook on low for 6 to 8 hours or on high for 4 to 5 hours. Once the ribs are tender and falling off the bone, remove them from the pot. Skim any excess fat from the surface of the sauce. If the sauce is too thin, simmer uncovered on the stovetop until it thickens. Serve the short ribs over mashed potatoes, polenta, or buttered noodles. Garnish with fresh parsley for a touch of brightness. The recipe and procedure are in the description section. Have a nice day!